Are you interested in learning how to make money just by copying and pasting photographs from the internet? It is entirely achievable using this strategy. You may be earning up to 90 bucks each hour. Consider how much money you will be able to make. If you are interested, be sure to watch this video from beginning to end so you don't miss anything. Don't worry, this approach is available all around the world and is completely free. You don't have to make any investments or sell anything. To make this strategy work, make sure you have your smartphone, laptop, or computer with you. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. The website that we will be concentrating on for today's video is called Zazzle. You can access it at zazzle.com. What is the purpose of this website? It is a platform for people-powered design. Zazzle, as the name implies, is a technology-based corporation with over 100 patents. As stated on their website, Zazzle is an on-demand marketplace where we connect customers with artists' beautiful designs on the world's best products, so anything imaginable can be created. Zazzle's ecosystem is made up of a broad group of individuals, including customers, designers, producers, brands, and partners. Content, community, and commerce keep them all linked on a daily basis. As you can see here, there are 3 things you can do on this website. Firstly, create your own. You can customize an existing product or create your own from scratch. The second is for the creators. You could sell your designs, art, and photography on thousands of products with a few clicks of a button. Lastly, for the makers, you could sell your customizable products to millions of customers in the Zazzle marketplace. If you are doubtful if this website is legitimate, you can check in the website's About section everything about Zazzle. As stated here, Zazzle has been operating for 16 long years and still counting. They have a total of 142 patents currently and more to come. This website has served 30 million customers since its launch and has strong satisfaction ratings. Additionally, Zazzle has more than 500 global brand partners. And when we say global brand partners, these are the known brands existing today such as Disney, Getty Images, and the Armed Forces. With all these being said, one could truly say that Zazzle is a legitimate website which no one can doubt. You can immediately notice on their website that they are currently in a site-wide sale with 25% off for your purchases. You can see here all the items being sold on the website. You can find cards and invitations, baby boutiques, weddings, and gift guides. You can also see here products such as t-shirts, clothing and shoes, home decors, office and school, accessories, electronics, and so on and so forth. In this section over here, which says trending, you can view all the products that are currently considered as bestsellers. And since the Love Month is just weeks away, the first line is all about it. Products such as mugs, stickers, bottle labels, and wrapping papers are trending. Also, since we have just entered a new year, planners are in demand. And of course, in line with the new year is also our New Year's resolutions. That's why products for your dream healthy lifestyle such as yoga mats, leggings, and water bottles are all in demand. When it comes to creating your own material, Zazzle provides an easy-to-use website that may assist you in creating your own designs. Most importantly, once you publish your own designs, they may be sold in the form of actual things like mugs, t-shirts, gift cards, and more. You won't have to do any of the selling yourself since Zazzle will do it for you automatically. You basically create revenue passively using Zazzle in this manner. I'd want you to use the search bar at the top of the homepage to see what things they sell. Select the second category, products. You will be able to see a preview of the many items that individuals developed using Zazzle's designer tool as a result of doing so. If you're wondering what it is, keep watching this video because I'll teach you how to navigate and utilize it step by step. What we want to accomplish is to make a Zazzle product that we can sell. From here on out, I'll teach you how to get a free Zazzle account, Simply click the blue register button above to do so. It will open a pop-up where you may connect your Facebook, Google, or Apple accounts to instantly sign in with a single click. You may also create an account on Zazzle by manually entering your email address and password. You now have your own account and may make and sell on Zazzle when you've completed all of these steps. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking it and subscribing to the channel. Now let's go back to the video. Zazzle is also compatible with smartphones. Moreover, it is compatible with Android and iOS smartphones. If you don't have access to a laptop or computer, you may simply download the app from your phone's App Store or Play Store. Now that you've created an account, simply search for the Create Your Own option among the categories using the same search box that we used previously. It will direct you to a page where you may get a digital version of their design tool. Simply choose the option that says Start Creating to begin generating your creations. One of the things I like about Zazzle is that they offer their own made-for-you templates that you can simply adjust to your specifications. You may explore many templates to utilize on the left side. I will use this one as an example, especially since Valentine's Day is rapidly approaching. Supposing that I'm trying to sell you a Valentine's card for your family and friends. Here, I may personalize this card to my taste. By glancing at the right side of the text, I can alter the color. I have complete control over it. If I like, I can also alter the font style. Different categories such as elements, icons, and backgrounds may be found on the left side. To change the background to red, simply click the red square on the right side of this page. It is now turned a bright crimson color. I'd also like to add more designs to the card as well. Simply go to the icons category on the left side and look for the extra design you want to add and click on it. Simple as that. I'll right click on this icon and resize it as shown. After that, alter the color to white to match the rest of the card's parts. Isn't it simple, right? You may quickly alter your designs and even select from Done For You templates using Zazzle's design tool. Simply download your design and save it to your computer once you're through with your product. As always, I like to share some additional money-making strategies with you. By going to their homepage, you may make twice or even 3 times the amount of money for this website. Go to their homepage and scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the words Refer a Friend. The referral system at Zazzle allows you to earn $25 for each person you recommend. They explain how it works as you can see in the video below. You must first distribute your personalized link via email or text and social media. Furthermore, on their first order of $25 or more, each person you suggest receives a fantastic discount of 60% of cards and invitations, as well as 20% of all other items. The greatest thing is that after your friend's order delivers, you will get a $25 off promo code to use on Zazzle. Isn't it fantastic? To begin, simply insert your email address into the blank box below and press enter. You will then receive your own referral link which you can post on social media. You may post it on Facebook or Twitter if you want. You may learn a lot of money in a single day by using this strategy in conjunction with Zazzle's referral system. You may repeat this process to make as much money as you like. Just keep in mind that combining these two will increase your website's revenue. Best of luck! Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.